Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to generate a random password without using the regex module. So let's start the tutorial. Let's check the final output to generate the random password. Python, the command is my filename .py, enter. Notice here, once I click enter, I got the length of the password. It's prompting. I'm adding 7. The size is 7. When I click enter, notice the random password I got here. Here we got the letters. This is a special characters, which is a punctuation, and the numbers also we got.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a Python tutorials. And here the Python tutorials folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now in this folder, I am adding one new Python file called genrandompassword.py. And here we got the newly created file is open. Now my aim is generate random password without using regex module. So first, length of the password is equals to input, enter the length of the password is equals to. Now here, if you notice, the prompt input type is a string format. So we need to add integer type, typecasting the string format to integer type. Then now here I want to generate random password. So we need to import the random module. Import random module. Then I want to implement the string class. After that, now combination of password. The combination of password is what? I want letters, digits and punctuations. So here string class ASCII letters plus string dot digits plus string dot punctuation. Then after that what I'll do is random password generate. Now we got the length here and we have added the combination of the three types, letters, digits and punctuation. Now we require the combination of these three of the length of this password. So random password is equals to, here I am adding dot join method. In this join method I am adding the random dot choice sample. Let's add the sample method. Sample method concatenate any numbers of strings. So sample, here we are concatenating now, plus sample. First we require to add the combo password, comma, then the length password. That's it. Now the final step, print random password is rand password. This is a variable I'm adding here. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file. Now we'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let's check the final output to generate the random password. Python, the command is my filename .py, enter. Notice here, once I click enter, I got the length of the password. It's prompting. I'm adding 7. The size is 7. When I click enter, notice the random password I got here. Here we got the letters. This is a special characters, which is a punctuation, and the numbers also we got. Again, we'll check another password. Generate the new password. This time I'm adding 9. When I click enter, see here we got the new password we got here with a combination of letters, digits and punctuations, special characters. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to generate a random password in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.